Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, welcome back to another Triple Play Saturday round 2, and we got Roma in the building bringing the noise, and this guy always gets down on some of the most unique premium watch faces you'll find in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of the watch face is called Roma Iron Hybrid. It's definitely a nice premium looking analog watch face, and in the AOD mode, I love this look. I love the hint of green that really brings out this watch face in this mode. But once the watch face is on, my man really got down on creating a luxury premium watch face. Now, I like the background theme, right? It really brings out the watch face, just kind of brings everything together so far as the background is concerned. It's not your basic black, and I'm loving the design also. He got really creative with this one, and this is going to be an energy saving watch face as well. I love the font of the numbers, the 12 and the 6, and I'm liking the look of the index. I like the fact that they're white because it really brings out that black background and gives it the premium look that I believe the developer was going for. Now, the watch face is nice. You get the name of the developer. You also get your step info. You come down, you are going to get your floors climb. Over here, you get your heart rate information. And right here where it says iron, that little design, which is really nice, that's your seconds. You're going to also get your step status info so far as the goal completed. And it is interactive, so with a single tap, you can go into your step status info. And you can also go into it here, go a little bit deeper, and get your sleep information, heart rate, also calories burned, things of that nature. And for those of you all who keep in touch with your heart rate information, there you go. My man really got down on this watch face. But what really pulls this watch face together are the analog hands. Very stylish, very premium. I like the trim of silver, or is it white, that goes around the hand, that really makes this watch face stands out. My man Roma got down on this one. But listen, at the end of the day, people, you remember, it's all about you. So hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on Triple Play Saturday round 2. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.